it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're